So guys, nandito na tayo sa sa Taupu at balak namin at gagawin namin na mag boat sailing. Ayan, nakabook na rin kami. At eto, excited na sila. Tingnan niyo naman ang mga pormahan dahil sasakay daw sila sa yate.
Sana all.
Ayan. Matindihan.
Ayun yung mga madam natin.
Ayun, no? Ang mga malulupit na. Mababasala naman ang tubig mamaya yan.
Go in the middle, Kapal. Yay!
So ito yung mga kasama namin. Ayan.
Hindi mo tinatakting sa nagalik.
Hindi ko nahiya nga ako eh. Oh, may coffee pala eh. Oh.
Just have our chips.
Yun, ito sila. Excited pa sila. Kala napakagandang bangka. Yung pala, Disagwan pala to. Disagwan. O yan o. O, diba? Occupied. Okay. Hello guys, at yan nga at kami naglalayag na sa kalagitnaan ng dagat na ito. Ang aming bangka ay MV Hermes. Ayan. Ayan. Bisinger pala ako dito katabi. Yun. Highest God.
It's 28 Lions Heritage Lifted Road. They're from the Master Carver. Two nice whirring, swirls in those lines and people of significance along the way. The eyes are closed. Martin here went down the local Hapu with the sub-tribes asking for permission to do this. They said yes, and the Pākehā said no. So he went ahead and did it anyway, creating a lot of controversy. He's left the eyes closed so his ancestors can't see the trouble he had caused.
So ito na nga guys, medyo naboring sila kasi wala sila nakita kundi yung bato, tapos pauwi na kami. Video yan. No. Okay. Sige. Okay, pauwi na kami guys at medyo masaya lang. medyo lang.